I went to the doctor and the doctor said, son, you look older than me, and I'm 71. You're falling apart, you're not living right. I went to the doctor and the doctor said loud, you got to stop hanging out with that old in crowd. Living's a battle, yeah, and you're losing the fight. I went to the doctor and the doctor said, boy, your body is a temple, it's not a toy. Fill up this here paper cup and give it to the nurse. Don't spill it now. I went to the doctor. Doctor said, friend, this should be the middle, but it could be the end. You better get better, else you're gonna get worse. Oh, I went to the doctor. I went to the doctor. I went to the doctor and the doctor said, sir, we got back the x-ray. Everything's a blur. But it's all positive, that's what every single test shows. I went to the doctor. Doctor said, kid, it was something that you ate and drank, and something that you did, and it's all in your head. It's spreading on down to your toes. All right, let's spread it around a little bit now. I went to the doctor. Everybody does. I went to the doctor. I went to the doctor and the doctor said, please get on down to the drugstore and pick up some of these. After that, get on home and get into your bed. I went to the doctor. Doctor said, shucks, that's just about all. You owe me $300, and you can call me in the morning. That is if you're not dead. Doctor, just checking up on you.